Feeling low on energy no matter how much sleep you get? What if the problem isn't your routine, but your cells running low on fuel? Hey there, friends. It's Pharmacist Michael. Have you ever hit that wall mentally or physically and thought, I'm just getting older? Well, it might not be your age. It might be a molecule inside your cells called NAD+. Today, we're diving into NAD+ precursors, specifically NMN and NR, two compounds that have taken the longevity world and energy world by storm. Do they actually boost energy, or are they just expensive hype and fancy packaging? Let's find out. Want more energy? Start by understanding what your cells are begging for. NAD plus is like cellular rocket fuel. Every time your body breaks down food into usable energy, NAD plus is right in the middle of that process. It helps power your mitochondria, the tiny power plants in your cells. And it's critical for DNA repair, gene expression, and even longevity. But here's the kicker. NAD plus levels plummet with age. They drop faster with stress, poor sleep, alcohol, and metabolic disease. And when NAD plus runs low, you feel it as fatigue, brain fog, slower recovery, and decreased motivation. So the million-dollar question is, can we bring those levels back up? If NAD plus is your energy currency, NMN and NR are the HEM machines. There are a few ways your body makes NAD plus, but the two most popular supplements are NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, and NR, nicotinamide riboside. Both are precursors, meaning your body uses them to build NAD plus. Think of them like raw ingredients that your cells need to refuel. NR is a patented form that's been studied for increasing NAD plus levels in humans. NMN is one step closer to NAD plus in the biochemical pathway and may work more efficiently, especially in tissues like muscle and brain. Okay, but do these NAD plus boosters actually make you feel different? The short answer, for some people, yes. And for others, it's more subtle. Let's look at the evidence. Mental energy. Some users report sharper thinking, better focus, and reduced brain fog within weeks. Physical stamina. In animal studies, NMN improved endurance and muscle strength. Human studies are still early, but promising. Metabolic health. NAD plus supports insulin sensitivity and mitochondrial function, so better NAD plus might mean more efficient energy production. One human study published in Nature Communications showed that NR supplementation significantly increased NAD plus and improved muscle NAD plus content, potentially leading to better energy metabolism. But don't expect a Red Bull jolt. It's more like a slow, clean burn that improves baseline energy over time. These supplements aren't magic, but they might be just what your cells are missing. NAD plus precursors may be especially helpful if you struggle with chronic fatigue, are over 40 and feeling your energy dip, have metabolic issues or insulin resistance, or are looking to support brain health and aging. On the flip side, some people may feel overstimulated, anxious, or experience sleep disruptions at high doses, especially when starting out. Also, if you have cancer or a history of it, talk to your doctor first. There's ongoing debate about whether NAD Plus could fuel both healthy and abnormal cells. And if you're pregnant or nursing, don't experiment. We just don't have enough data yet. More isn't always better, especially when it comes to cellular fuel. Here's what most people do. NMN, 250 to 500 milligrams daily to start, sometimes up to 1,000 milligrams. NR, 250 to 300 milligrams daily, up to 600 milligrams. Best taken in the morning because NAD plus supports daytime energy metabolism and late-day dosing could mess with sleep. Stack it with resveratrol, which activates sirtuins, proteins that work with NAD+. Pterostilbene, similar to resveratrol, but more bioavailable. CoQ10 or ubiquinol for mitochondrial support. TMG, which helps with methylation if taking high doses of NR or NMN. And remember, results aren't instant. Most benefits are felt over 2 to 4 weeks, sometimes longer. Are NAD plus precursors worth it? If you're feeling run down, this could be the cellular reset you've been looking for. NAD plus precursors like NMN and NR aren't magic bullets, but they're some of the most exciting tools we have for energy, aging, and brain function. If you're over 40, active, or just feel like your cells aren't firing like they used to, this might be worth a try. As always, start low, track how you feel, and talk to a healthcare provider if you're on medication or have chronic health conditions. And let me know in the comments, have you tried NMN or NR? Did it help? Did you notice a change in your energy, focus, or mood? If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always tired. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, breaking down the science behind supplements, health trends, and what actually works. Don't forget to check the description section of this video for recommended NMN and NR supplements. Until next time, be happy and be healthy. My name is Pharmacist Michael, and I'll see you in the next video.